I'm going to show you how to repair your corrupted Crimson Desert save files. I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way is to use this tool called Ease Us, and there is a link in the description below where you can download it and sign up for an account if you want to. And then once you've opened up the tool, click on Hardware Disk, and then select the disk where Windows is installed, and usually the game should be installed there, because the save files are there, and then click on search for lost data. Now wait for it to do the scanning, and while it does the scan, you want to click on users, expand it, open up your username folder on this computer, open up data, and then local. Now you want to look for a folder called Pearl Abyss in this directory. If you can't find it, you can just wait for the program to do quick scan, which usually takes a while. But once you've found it and basically found your save files and it's still in progress, you can pause it because you found your save files and recover them immediately. Now I have found the Pearl Abyss folder, so I've paused the scan, and then I can open up the folder, open up CD, and then save, and then the folder with the number for the Steam ID or the platform ID. And then here I can find all my save slots. Basically, you can select the slot that you want to repair. For example, slot 100 is corrupted when you're loading, or slot 2 or whatever. You can select the slots, are basically all of them, and just click on the recover button right here. Now choose another drive, usually a different one from where the game is installed or recovered from. For example, E right here, and then click on save. Now once this is completed, it will open up a folder automatically for you. You can go inside here, users, app data, local, Pearl Abyss, save, and then you should basically just copy these recovered or repaired slots, and then go to the actual directory where the saves are. Just open up run local percentage sign local updata percentage sign, press OK. Now just open up the same folder, Pearl Abyss, CD, save, and then right here just right click and paste, and then replace files. And like that, you've repaired your save slots. Now all you got to do is load the game and just open up the menu and just load the save slot you've recovered, and that should fix the file corruption issue. Now if you were unable to recover or repair your save files, another way is to download a save file from the ones provided on this website here by other people. It will require you to register an account for free to be able to get those. And we'll put the link to it in the description below, and then you can choose from these files from chapter 1 starter save up to chapter 9, I think. You can click on manual download and then click on slow download from here, and it will start downloading the save file. Now once you've got the save file, you should extract the save. So I'm going to open it up right here. And for example, here it has slot 100. Extract it to your desktop and just place it in the save folder which we've opened up earlier. Just drag it and drop it here and replace the existing file. Now just close this, open up the game, and load the save from that slot number. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.